Good morning, students. We're here to interview teacher Alvarado. My name is Noemi.
Fabiola and Michelle.
And the first question is,
What age or level of students are you teaching?
The levels I'm teaching right now are for second and fourth elements. I mean semesters. The well here in the university the English goes for all the careers, so it's not exactly a specific age. I can say from 19 to 20 probably. Yes.
okay. Could you recommend us a technique or activity you have used on your students, like a grammar structure or a grammatical rule that you've used?
Okay, for this question, it comes to I think a lot of an activity that I just recently did,
Mm-hmm.
where we were studying the past, passive, continuous, and participle in a whole paragraph or a whole a whole paragraph, for which it was in the time where like a few months ago I broke an ankle and I was telling the students how it happened. I told them, well, as I was walking through the grass, there had been a hole before there, and I fell on it, and I broke my ankle. So I wrote that sentence on the whiteboard while I was putting the sentence, the tenses in different color patterns. Like for example, simple past in blue, past continuous in green, and past participle in red. And students got to understand that grammatical structure. After that, I told them to do a paragraph of their own, talking about a topic in weather, since the unit was the weather, and they did very good. I liked it and I enjoyed it because I shared part of my life with them, and they got to connect it with real situations, not only texts.
That's a good one.
Could you recommend us a writing activity you have used in your classes? Maybe something you think it's fun and effective.
Well, always students should like something that they like a lot is mingle. Like don't not use the classes as something that they have to do, but something that they would enjoy doing. For that instance, I would recommend surveys where they walk around with students and ask for things that they think. For example, in a present simple activity, they would ask like find how many students want or like to play, how many students eat pizza or like pizza. In that way, they get to know more of each other, and they can use the topic, the the topic of the class. Yes.
Yes.
And that would be all. Thank you for your time and for taking the time to answer our questions.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.